In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload your precious photos to Google Drive using a variety of methods. Whether you're on the go with your mobile device or sitting at your computer, Google Drive offers a seamless experience for preserving your cherished memories in the cloud. Let's jump right into it. If you're on a mobile device, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy with just a few taps. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in the app, look for the prominent Plus Upload button. This is your gateway to adding new content. Give it a tap, and a menu will appear with options like File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the option that best suits your needs, whether you're just uploading a few snaps from your weekend adventure or an entire album from vacation. Pick your photos from your device and then watch as they smoothly transfer into your digital storage. But it doesn't stop there. If you find yourself already viewing the photos you want to upload, simply use the Share feature on your device. By selecting the photos and tapping the Share button, you can share them directly to your Google Drive app. It's a quick, intuitive way of getting those images stored without having to backtrack through your app menus. Now, let's explore how to upload photos from your computer because it can be just as simple. Begin by going to drive.google.com and signing into your Google account. Once you're in, head over to the top left corner of the screen and find the New button. Click it, and you'll be presented with two familiar options: File Upload or Folder Upload. This menu lets you pick individual photos or entire folders full of images. Just select what you need, hit Open, and your files will start to transfer. There's another slick method tailor-made for those who love a good drag and drop. Still on your computer, navigate to the Google Drive website and open the specific folder where you'd like to store your photos. Then, open the folder on your desktop or File Explorer that contains the images you want to move. Simply click and drag your selected photos from your computer directly into the Google Drive window. It's an intuitive way to upload while staying organized and ensuring your photos go exactly where you want them. Whichever method you choose, Google Drive provides a versatile and user-friendly way to keep your photos safe and accessible from anywhere. So go ahead, try out these methods, and take full control of your photo storage needs. Happy uploading!